हेलो एवरीवन। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आपने लास्ट सेशन पूरा अच्छे से देख लिया होगा और आप सबको ये रिमाइंड भी हो गया होगा कि कंप्यूटर क्या है, राइट, और वो कैसे प्रोसेस करता है। तो अब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं और उसके आगे के टॉपिक पढ़ते हैं। तो यहाँ पे क्या है ना, हम पहले इनपुट डिवाइस एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस देखेंगे और उसके बाद हम एक छोटा सा क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट खेलेंगे। Okay, so let's start. Welcome everyone. So here we have seen that what is a computer? A computer is an electronic machine. It accepts data and instruction as input, and after processing, what it will give you? It will give you result. It will give you output. Okay, so there are three operations which computer is performing. Which are the three operations? That is input, processing, and output. That is input, processing, and output. Okay, as you can see the labeling on input and output device. Okay, now we are going to see the components, various parts of the computer. Okay, various components. We are going to see the operations topic in detail. Okay, various part of computer system we will see in next lecture. But now we will see the operation performed by the computer in detail. That is input, processing, and output. What does it means? Okay, सो दोस्तों, यहाँ पे इनपुट क्या है? इनपुट इंक्लूड्स डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस. इट इंक्लूड्स व्हाट? डेटा. डेटा मीन्स इंफॉर्मेशन and instructions. We enter into the computer. This data and instructions, where we are entering into our computer, we are entering. We give input to the computer with the help of keyboard and mouse. So, what are the input device here? Input device are keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse are also called input device. Students, I will be asking you the quiz question based on this topic tomorrow. So, study properly. What is input device? It include data and instructions we feed into the computer. We give input to the computer with the help of keyboard and mouse. Keyboard and mouse are called input device. Very good, everyone. Very nicely, you all are attending the lecture. Now, processing. What does processing means? Like our brain is processing what our teacher is saying in front of our students. Whatever if teacher is saying that do the calculation, what you will do? You will hear what teacher is saying, and based on that, you will take that input. Your brain will process that data, and after that, you will say the output the teacher. 1 plus 1 is 2. Same way, what does processing means? A CPU or central processing unit works on data. On which topic it will work? It will work on data. Okay, according to the instruction given by us. Now, who is giving that instruction? We are giving that instruction. So, who we are? We are user. Who we are? We are user. The work done on the input data by the CPU is called processing. Again, I will repeat the work done on the input data. Okay, the work done on the input data which is given by the from the input device, which is given by keyboard or either by mouse. Okay, so the by the CPU. Okay, so we are giving instruction from keyboard and mouse. Okay, and that instruction CPU is taking and processing that information. CPU is also called processing device. CPU is also called processing device. Very good, everyone. Again, I will repeat. Pay attention, all of you. Input Input. Input includes data and instructions we feed into the computer. Okay, means what is the use of input? Sometimes we are saving files, sometimes we are giving instructions to our computer, right? So that input to the computer with the help of how we are giving input with the use of keyboard and with the use of mouse. So what are the input device? There are many other input devices are there, but Here two examples are given, that is keyboard and mouse. Okay, understood everyone? Yes, I will be taking quiz questions, so pay attention everyone on this topic. So processing, what does processing means? A CPU, that is central processing unit. What is the full form of CPU? Central processing unit works on data according to the instruction given by us. The work done on the input data by a computer is called processing. Okay, so how CPU will process? It will take the input data and after that it will process the data. And with the use of output device, it will show you that data. Okay, so where it will show you? It will show you on the monitor. For example, if you're playing some music, it will show you on speaker. With the use of speaker, you can hear the voice. When the use of printer, you can take the print out. Okay. Now, the last one is that is output device. Now, what is output? Output is the final result. Output is the final result. The final result that we get after processing the data is called output. See, we enter the data, CPU is processing the data. So where it will get displayed? Where it will get displayed? It will get displayed on monitor screen. It will get displayed on our monitor screen. It's like a TV screen only. We call it as a monitor screen. The final result that we get after processing the data is called output. Okay, what is output? The result of our input. Okay, so the output is a process form of data that convey us some useful meaning. Okay, for example, if you're giving correct information, you will get correct output. If you're giving incorrect information, you will get incorrect output. So always, whenever you are typing the data, if you writing correct data, if you typing correct input, if you giving correct input, you will get correct output. The output is given out by the computer using output device. So what are the output device you can see on your screen? That is monitor, speaker and dash. What we call that, the third device which is there attached to monitor screen, monitors after speaker, and one more is there. Which is that? Can you send me that device name in a chat box? Very good, everyone. The name of that device is printer. Very nice, everyone. So, the next topic, let's play a quiz based on our first section. Okay, and our second, the section which is conducted today, this quiz will be conducted tomorrow. Okay, so everyone do the studies properly. I know your vacations are going on, but it will be useful for you. So, what is a computer? We have seen the first line of our section first, right? What is a computer? A computer is a dash device. Which device? Calculator? It's a which device? I don't know. Can you tell me which device? A computer is a dash device. A computer is a very good, everyone. That is a computer is an electronic device. Very good, all of you. Very nice. The next is it gives result as how it gives result as output device, right? From where how it will give result with the use of output device, it will give the result. The last one is last and final question of this section is it accept data as instruction and instruction as. How it will accept the data and instruction? How it will accept? Can anyone inform? Can anyone tell how it will accept? It will accept the data and instruction as input device. Right, everyone? So let's see the recap once again. What we have learned today. See, this topic we have done the revision of this topic of what is a computer. Computer is an electronic machine. There are three operations which are performed on computer, that is input, processing and output. The next one we have seen input, processing and output in detail. Okay, we have seen few examples of input and output device. we have seen the instruction of input, with the example of input and output device. Okay. So in next section we are going to do the revision. I will be taking a short quiz based on these three topics, that is input, processing and output. These all are the operations of the computer, operation performed by the computer. Okay, everyone. So, everyone, if you like my channel, stay connected with me, subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Thank you, everyone.